Hi, welcome to a Learning Express. This is our fifth video of learning new vocabularies. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please go ahead and watch it. I have also given the link in the description. Let's see the meaning, sentence, and examples of five new words. The five words are fumble, teetotaler, detach, refuse, imitate. The first word, fumble. When I created the first video, I really fumbled a lot. Synonyms: bungle, muff, blow. Meaning, when you are trying to say something, you speak in a clumsy and unclear way. To explain in a better way, when you are giving presentation or speech in front of large group of people, you may struggle at some point with stage fear or blubber, resulting in a sloppy performance. Let me give an example. From this picture, you can make out is fumbling to answer. Let's put it in a sentence. She fumbled with the key and finally unlocked the door. I hope you got the meaning of fumble. Let's move on to the second, teetotaler. Being a teetotaler is more healthy than inebriate. It's so interesting to see teetotaler around us. Let's see the synonyms. Non-drinker, meaning someone who never drinks alcohol. Example: it's really rare to see a teetotaler, but fortunate. I have a friend of mine. Her dad was teetotaler. He doesn't like to consume alcohol. Or you can link this word with your friends or relatives to find out any teetotaler around you so that you will not forget the word. Let's put in a sentence. He is a teetotaler and has also since quit smoking. The next word, detached. Synonyms: indifferent, separate. Meaning, a detached house is not connected to any other building. Example: a detached house is a stand-alone residential structure that does not share outside walls with another house or building. Let's see the sentence. The label became detached from your parcel. Let me add another sentence. I have detached the watch from the chain. The next word, refuse. Refuse is very often used word in our daily conversation. It is important of it. Synonyms: reject, ignore, disapprove. Meaning to say that you will not do or accept something. Let me elaborate this. It indicates or show that one is not willing to do illegal activities. Let's see one example for better understanding. There are many genuine people who refuse to take bribe and give respect to their jobs. Sentence: he cannot refuse if you ask politely. Or another sentence: I refuse to bargain over the price. Finally, we are at the last word, imitate. Before looking at the synonyms, let me tell you one important code. Decide what you want to do. Don't just imitate others. I repeat, decide what you want to do. Don't just imitate others. Synonyms: copy, mock, meaning to follow as a pattern, model, or example. Imitate refers to copy the behavior of somebody. Let's see example. If you imitate a person, you copy the way they speak or behave, usually because you are trying to be funny. Sentence: her style has been imitated by her mother. Let's see one common sentence. Children always imitates example of their parents or adults. Please subscribe for more videos and stay connected. Thank you for watching.